configuring your domain name. Okay, after you have chosen a host and signed up and paid, your hosting account is activated. Sometimes it's immediate, sometimes it takes a couple hours, maybe a day. You should be sent information on your name servers. What we have to do is we have to link our hosting account with our domain name. So what you need then specifically are your name servers. If you cannot find it, typically it is in your welcome email, but if you can't find it, just contact support. That's what they're there. They're here to help you. Say, hey, listen, I need to set my name servers, and what are they? So they go ahead and they send them to you, and they need to take those and go into where you register your domain name and change your name servers. That's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So I'm going to assume that you registered at GoDaddy. If you didn't, that's certainly okay, but that's going to be what I use for the example. Okay, I am here logged into my GoDaddy account. I apologize that some things are blurred out, but I don't want to reveal everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on one of my domain names. Just go ahead and click on it. And you can see here there's a whole bunch of information. Down here in the bottom left is where it says name servers, and this is what I really want to be concerned about. I'm going to go ahead and click Manage. And again, they're going to be set by default to be GoDaddy's name servers. But we're going to go ahead and take care of that and switch it. Okay, so here it says, I want to park my domains, I want to forward, I want to have a hosting account. I have a hosting account. I host my domains with another provider. That's actually what we want. So go ahead and select that. And then right here is where you put your name server information. So what do name servers look like? Well, they're going to look something like this. It's going to be typically it's NS1 and then name of name server like that, and then NS2 name of name server, and there's typically going to be two of them, and you just put them in there, 1 and 2. Now it might not necessarily be NS1, it could be something else, but there's going to be two of them. That's the important thing. Okay. And then once you have that set, you just hit OK, and then it's going to say your name servers have been set, and then you're going to be good to go. Now, please note, this is not going to happen immediately. There's going to be a delay. It needs to propagate through the internet and all this crazy stuff. So, you set it, and then you go and you say, hey, it's not working. It's because it's going to take time. So I would give it at least a day, if not 2, before you start contacting people saying, hey, listen, I messed up. So if it doesn't work out for you, contact your host, because they're going to help you get it straight. Tell them what you did. Maybe they would even be nice enough to do it for you. But again, you just take the name server information that they provided you with, and you go into your host, and then if you didn't use, you go into your registrar, and if you did not use GoDaddy, just look and see, how to change the name server, and then it's just those 2 lines that you need to plug in, and then you're good to go. But please remember that it does take time. Okay, so once that's set, then it's time to go on, and we're going to just take a further look at what a hosting account looks like and some of the things that you should know from your hosting account.